And it's just that easy.
Get back up on Channel 28. Ain't no money in Maryland. Always a pleasure. Slingshot these lakes. Got down. I'll see you.
See you right on Slingshot. No strain, no pain, man. You ain't gotta run. We'll stay here and have some fun. Hey, Slingshot in the lakes, the baddest 5-element in the Great Lakes. No money in Maryland. Small little baddest 4-element in Maryland. I'll see you.
525, demand a tide, 10 volt. Yeah, somebody just come in there with you in a mobile. Somebody just come in here with a mobile. I'm gonna sit back and listen. Hey, no money. I'll see you quickly. I ain't stupid. I ain't crazy. Well, that company got me laid down.
Well, I wanted to slow key so you could figure out who in the world it was in a mobile. It might be my friend Skywalker down here. He's a couple miles away from me. He got a bad acting mobile. Ain't no two ways about it. Hey, Slingshot, I better not overstay my overstay my love with Mother Nature. Bye.
Ranger. Bye. In Virginia. I think whoever it was in Virginia, but I heard a 138 easing up in there too. Hey, 138 around Maryland, Slingshot with a high five right bag.
That's probably that double in 235 in a mobile that had Tbird's ears. That's probably what in the world was going on. Hey, Slingshot, can't overstay my welcome. Mother Nature gotta keep on. She a hoochie mama. She can't stay too long. Slingshot, I'll say it.
When you call it 509, man, you need to be calling WW.
I just broke his sling. 235. He ain't got no slingshot. So damn, your Tbird broke the sling.
Up here around me, but all right, man, I'm gonna ease back out of the way. And I know these tubes is getting hot. Ain't no money in Maryland. Slingshot on these Z's is getting down. I'll see you.
10 right on, big brother. No strain, no pain. Go on, keep on doing what you're doing. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Hey, Slingshot, I'm gonna be moving around as well. No money working this day made in Maryland. Back on the smell.
Slingshot out of cotton making cotton that he picked in the field. You can't make no shot. You can't make no shot.
No money. 138.
Give me my focus shot field. Go here.
Bye-bye. Round dog and all the rest of the boys, I say.
Bye. I'll see you.
Okay, one more money I got coming, man. I gotta get me a beer. I gotta get somebody to bring me a beer on 10-7. About that kilowatt, Virginia. About a kilowatt, Virginia. You got a copy on this ice cold Eskimo in Anchorage, Alaska. About a kilowatt, Virginia.
Ice cold Eskimo in Alaska. No money working this day made in Maryland, breaker.
How about it, Maryland? 328 Cornfield State, we're trying.
Hello, right back 328. No money right back to you.
Hey, we thank you. 73's your way. Happy Memorial Day. 328 Cornfield State. We're off the key. Down in Greenville, Wisconsin. Hey, no. Eskimo, AAA up here in the cold Great Lakes.
10 right on DW. I appreciate it. What's going on up there, Eskimo? Hey, Eskimo, around Alaska. No money. I turn this beam your way. No money in Maryland. Back out.
Hey, 125 Central Mass, Tiger Paw in the Buckeye with the Memorial Day wave. Hey, 400 Main, Tiger Paw in the Buckeye with a wave. Feeling that here in the old ice cold Eskimo.
The ice-cold Eskimo in Alaska. That's what you said when you said it. What's going on up there, ice-cold Eskimo? No money in Maryland, back out.
Plug when he keys up.
Definitely the conditions are in our favor, no doubt about it. Ice cold Eskimos, Anchorage, Alaska.
I thought the guy was joking with me. Anyway, DW, he's apologizing. Hey, Shotgun, you doing the same over here in the Buckeye. Come on.
About an Eskimo in Alaska. Ice-cold Eskimo in Alaska. No money in Maryland. Looking at you, break.
10-4 there, no money Maryland. I heard all that. Got a copy on that, no doubt about it. It's ice cold.
256 in Georgia, AAA out of Michigan. We're still...
Yeah, I hear you from time to time. Ice-cold Eskimo, them boys around Michigan leave you off the mall, man. But I am running this video gate. I will post it up on YouTube. Make sure you look for it later this evening. Take care, ice-cold Eskimo. Always a pleasure. No money in Maryland, back out.
10-4 there, Maryland. 10-4, no money Maryland. No doubt about it. We're still trying. How about it? Come on.
Real good copy. Ice-cold Eskimo around Alaska. Real good copy. A good contact, a good sounding station coming out of Alaska. No two ways about it. Take care. No money in Maryland. I'm sitting back rolling this video gate. I'll see you.
Hey, no money in Maryland. You got a good, clear sounding station. No money in Maryland. Tiger Paul and Buckeye with the wave.
6 AAA up here.
I appreciate it, Tiger Paul. Hey, Tiger Paul, I appreciate it. Ain't nothing but a Dave May transmitter, and I'm back on this mail.
Hey, that's what I thought. No money. That's what it sounded like. Good and clear and loud. Tiger Paul and the Buckeye with Memorial Day wave. Right back.
Vote 10. Take care, Tiger Paul. I'm gonna see if I can't make another contact with that ice-cold Eskimo around Alaska. I'm sitting back on this video gate. No money in Maryland.
It's on a different one. Real good.
Ice cold, no money. I'm looking out your way. Ice cold Eskimo, Alaska, no money in Maryland. Break up, break up. Got a small copy on that go around, man. I did hear your sound when you bumped it down. Ice cold Eskimo, no money in Maryland. Let's go.
Gump, you just come up here and cleaned everybody out. Gump, slam paw in the Buckeye, waving.
Let me tell that Gump to get back and man that come picking shrimp boat before it floats away. Tell that Gump to take that shrimp boat back down to the station, back down to the dock. I'll see you.